Home security is a growing priority for families across Rowlett, Texas, and for good reason. As the city continues to grow, many homeowners are looking for ways to make their homes safer, stronger, and more resilient. While security alarms and smart locks are helpful, there's one part of the home that often gets overlooked: your windows. Windows are among the most common entry points for break-ins, especially if they are old, worn, or poorly sealed. That's why more Rowlett homeowners are choosing reinforced window replacement as a smart, long-term investment in their home's safety. Modern reinforced windows are built with advanced materials, impact-resistant glass, and secure locking systems that help protect your home from forced entry while improving comfort and efficiency. Here's how reinforced window replacement can dramatically enhance home security, and why it's becoming one of the top upgrades in Rowlett neighborhoods. Stronger, break-resistant glass for better protection. Traditional single-pane windows offer little resistance to impact, making them easy targets for burglars. Reinforced replacement windows, on the other hand, use laminated or tempered safety glass, which is significantly stronger and harder to break. Laminated glass includes 2 layers of glass, a durable interlayer that holds the glass together if shattered instead of breaking apart. The glass cracks but stays in place, preventing intruders from entering your home quickly or quietly. This delay alone is often enough to stop a break-in attempt altogether. For Rowlett homeowners, especially those with street-facing rooms or large first-floor windows, this added strength provides greater peace of mind. Reinforced frames that resist forced entry. Even if the glass is strong, weak or aging window frames can still make break-ins easier. Reinforced replacement windows feature upgraded frame materials such as vinyl, aluminum clad, composite, or fiberglass, which are much harder to pry open or damage. These modern frames offer fusion-welded corners for added structural integrity, weather-resistant materials that don't warp or crack, tight seals that prevent tampering, heavy-duty fasteners, and secure anchoring. By preventing weak points around the frame, your windows become a reliable part of your home's overall security system. Advanced locking systems for enhanced safety. Older windows typically rely on basic latch locks that wear out over time. Reinforced replacement windows come equipped with multi-point locking systems, which secure the sash at several points rather than just one. These advanced locks provide superior resistance to forced lifting or prying, built-in tamper-proof mechanisms, smooth operation for everyday use. Whether you choose double-hung, casement, slider, or picture windows, today's reinforced locking systems add an extra layer of protection without sacrificing convenience or aesthetics. Better security against severe weather. In Rowlett, strong winds and severe thunderstorms are common throughout the year. Reinforced windows not only improve home security but also help protect against weather-related damage. Impact-resistant glass and strong frames prevent windborne debris from shattering your windows during storms, keeping your home safer and reducing the risk of interior damage. This dual-purpose protection makes reinforced windows a valuable investment for year-round safety. Improved privacy and noise reduction. Security isn't just about preventing break-ins, it's also about creating a safe and peaceful home environment. Reinforced windows often include sound dampening features that help reduce outside noise from traffic, neighbors, and construction. They also come with options for tinted or privacy-enhanced glass, making it harder for outsiders to see into your home while maintaining clear interior views. This added privacy enhances your sense of security and comfort, adding value and confidence to your Rowlett home. Homebuyers today value safe, energy-efficient, and low-maintenance homes. By upgrading to reinforced windows, you improve both your property's security and its resale appeal. Benefits include increased home value, better insurance savings, long-term durability, reduced maintenance and repairs. A secure home is a more desirable home, and reinforced windows directly contribute to that. Final thoughts. Reinforced window replacement is one of the most effective ways to boost home security in Rowlett. With stronger glass, durable frames, and advanced locking systems, these windows offer protection against break-ins, severe weather, noise, and more. If you're looking to protect your family, increase your home's comfort, and enjoy peace of mind, upgrading to reinforced windows is a smart investment that delivers safety and confidence for years to come.